Sexy, turn it around. Baby, do that to you. Let me see you get down. Oh, you're a hit now. Oh, you do that to you. Oh, that you feel it. She can rock you, know it. Sexy, turn it around. Baby, do that to you. Let me see you get down. Oh, you're a hit now. Oh, do that to you. Wanna fly, drive the night, let the beat take you over. Let your head go up and low. Nothing else matters, baby. Why let us spin all the way around? Let me see you get down. Off the bike, go, couple more shots. Let me see you do roll. Don't let me be here. Shake it like you don't care. Sexy, turn it around. Baby, do that you do roll. Let me see you get down. Go ahead and work it out now. Oh, do that you do roll. Go up in the air. Shake it like you don't care. Sexy, turn it around. Baby, do that you do roll. Let me see you get down. Go ahead and work it out now. Do that you do roll. Wanna fly, try the night, let the beat take you over. Let your head go, drop it low. Nothing else matters, baby. Why do you spin all the way around? So let me see you get down. Off the bike, go, couple more shots. Let me see you do roll. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for me to introduce to you the amazing members of tonight's show. Beautiful girl, give it up for our amazing dancer Maya. And that gorgeous emerald green, give it up for our dancer Mia. Oh, it's all because beautiful lights. Look at us shine. It's so pretty. Alright, moving on to the other side there, also looking very bright. Look at that gorgeous smile. It's Sasha! And of course, we have the cheeky one on the end there. Give it up for the one and the only Shelly! Yay! Now we cannot forget about our angel in the sky. Put your hands together for our aerialist, Tatiana! And also, let's bring back to the stage those handsome boys. Put your hands together for